Okay guys, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I want to do some presentation about my project from 7th grade until 9th grade. Okay, so let's go to the presentation. Okay, this is IT project. Okay, in this project there is three team. There is 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade. In 7th grade, we learn about games and website. In games, we learn about Scratch and Buildbox. And website, we learn about WordPress. And in 8th grade, we learn design using Figma and Canva. And then we learn IoT, which is we using Walkwi, TinyBit, Adafruit, and then Tinkercad, and other. And in 9th grade, we learn about mobile app. In mobile app, we use some software to run this application like BlueStack and then uh, Flutter, Visual Studio Code, and then Codular and other. Okay, guys. So let's go to the 7th grade first. Okay. So from Scratch game. Scratch is a visual programming language and online community designed specifically for children and beginners to learn programming concept and develop their creativity through interactive and engaging project. The developer developer by the lifelong kindergarten group at the MIT Media Lab search Scratch allow users to create their own animation, story, games, and interactive by using a block-based coding system. Okay, this is the first project that I make. It was name is Catching Fruit. In Catching Fruit, game created with the Scratch is a fun, interactive project. Is allow player to control a character, typically a basket or a character, to catch a falling fruit while avoiding obstacle. This type this type of games can be highly engaging for user and all age, especially children as it combines this combine as it combines simple mechanic and colorful visual. Okay, so this was the second. It was uh, Scratch game about adapt game. So in this game, oh yes, in this, oh my god, my camera error. Sorry guys, my camera error. In this game, another game created with a Scratch can serve an educational tool to teach player about behavior, proper ethic, and more value, particularly in cultural or social context. Tend to adapt often to good manner, politeness, and ethicness, especially within the context of Islamic teachings by representing this concept is in a playful and interactive format. The game can engage player and reinforce positive behavior. The next, there is a Pac-Man game. This was the third game that I made with a Scratch. A Pac-Man game created with a Scratch is fun adaptation of classic arcade game, where each player control Pac-Man as a negative maze its palette and avoid ghosts. This game provides a great opportunity for beginners to learn game mechanic, sprite, handling, and user interaction while having fun creating nostalgic game experience. Okay, the next there is a block breaker. Creating a block breaker game commonly known as a breakout or Arkanoid is a scratch is in Scratch is fun and engaging project. This type game is solved using paddle to bounce a ball and break a series of bricks on the screen. Next is Fruit Ninja. Creating a Fruit Ninja game is an exciting project that can help you learn various programming concepts such as sprite interaction in user input and game logic. In the Alien, in the next there is Alien Invader. In Alien Invader, player assume the role of a brave space object to shoot down many alien ships as possible. Game combine classic arcade shooting mechanics with fun graphic and sound effects. And Defender Games is a scratch game where a player controls a spaceship at bottom of the screen, tasked with defending Earth from onslaught of alien invader. The alien descend from the top of the screen in various formation and speed, firing projectiles at the player's ship. And then there is Bomberman. Bomberman is a space game where a player controls a character within a maze like a grid. Okay, now this Buildbox. Buildbox is a no-code or a low-code game engine that development platform that allow user to create uh, two dimension and three dimension games without a traditional code. It uses a visual drag and drop interface, making game development unaccessible to individual with the little or no programming experience. Okay, there is Jumping Cube. A jumping cube made with build box would likely be a simple engaging platformer. Next, there is a running ball. A running ball game made a build box would likely be an endless runner style game. Next, there is a switching ball. A switching ball game made a build box will typically be a fast-paced and colorful arcade style game where the player control a ball that must switch between the different paths or lanes it rolls forward. And then next there is a crossing road. A crossing road game made up with build box would be a engaging and fast-paced arcade game where player control a character like an animal or a person that must navigate busy road, and obstacle to each the other side safely. Next, there is a Dino game as last. A dinosaur game made with build box would be a fun, engaging, endless runner in which player control a dinosaur that must navigate through the various terrains while avoiding the obstacle and collecting items. Okay, next, there is a website. So in website, we use WordPress. And WordPress is a powerful and flexible context management system that allow user to create and manage website easily. Originally launched in blogging platform in 2003, WordPress has grown to become the most popular CMS or content management system, powering of 40% of all websites on the internet. Below are there is a masjid and school website. Uh, yeah, this was my school and my most personal website that can in masjid personal website that can help people to know what time is it for pray and who is the who is the who was the khutbah and the imam and yeah in school website we make that because of we need to like in there there's like information about school and how many are students like in there and opening uh, open school. And this was my personal website. In personal website There is a platform designed to serve both personal and educational purpose. It can be tailored or for student and educator or educational institution, providing a space for sharing information and showcasing achievement and engage a community. Is how such a website could be structured and what features it may could. And next there is multimedia. Multimedia refers to integrating and presenting several types of content, including text, audio, image, animation, video, and interactive element. It's extensively used in various applications and formats, such as website, presentation, and video game and educational material. Okay, there is my first uh yeah poster dakwah and poster flyer poster food flyer poster. In dakwah refers to an act inviting or calling people to embrace Islam. A poster dakwah design typically used to convey Islamic teaching, message, or invitation to religious event. Here are some key aspects. And food poster make a market tool used by restaurant, food and food vendor, or creating service. Here is typically includes. Okay, next there is illustration and infographics. Which illustration we use paint tool and infographic like this poster in down. We like made like many information in one poster, and then we make an Instagram post in up and visual merchandise like this. In down is visual merchandise and in up is Instagram post. And then there is UX design and 3D design. In UX we make like a application but not a real application. And 3D design we make like 3D design is but it's house. And then coloring and animation video. Coloring is in down and animation video in up. Okay, now IoT. There is RRC, which means robot remote control and line follower. Robot remote control is used like we use like usually a robot that we see in public and a line follower. Next, there is disaster alarm and vending machine. Disaster alarm, I don't find any picture that can make this same as my project. And then vending machine, same. And then there's greenhouse bit and vending machine. Oh no, I mean greenhouse bit only. And then there is smart home and weather station. There is smart farm and smart greenhouse. There is and then there is application. In application for this semester we made application using Codular. The first project is a name card and radio online, and then talk to me and find my age, and then calculator, and then Bitakwa doa-doa, and then Bitakwa dashboard. Okay guys, maybe that's all for me. Sorry if I have mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to subscribe guys ya. Bye.